Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So I just have a quick garden update for you guys. I planted a few more things since the last time I showed you guys. Things are growing pretty well from the last time. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And I've also been dealing with some pests and some rodents, which is always fun. But I just want to show you guys what's happening in the garden and then talk about what I've done to try to get a handle on things. So let's do it. So starting here, this is my temporary solution. We've had a bunny that has completely destroyed my lettuce beds, if you guys couldn't tell. So I kind of put that there to block it from coming in, because I do have chicken wire over here, and then over here there's just like a bunch of dirt piled up. So that's my temporary solution. I haven't seen any new nibblage. It's not a word, I just made it up. Anyway, I haven't seen any of the lettuce eaten anymore since I put those there, so maybe it's working, maybe it's not, I don't know. So that's what I put there. The cilantro is growing strong. I just had to spray them down with water, so they're a little right now. But yes, we got the 5 cilantro plants, and the parsley is growing well. I did plant a few more cilantro seeds. You can see them right there and right there. Those are coming in as well. My oregano's thriving. I have used a bunch of it, so there's like a whole chunk missing there. I still gotta figure out what I want to plant here. I still have some seeds in my basement, so I think I'm just gonna plant a bunch of stuff, and then whatever grows, grows. We'll see. Rosemary. The grape leaves are starting to come in finally, which is very exciting. The arugula, I've been using a lot of, and as you can see, it's gone to flower now, so it's basically done. It was delicious, so I might just harvest the rest of this and then plant some more seeds for it, hopefully, see how it goes. Over here, since the bunny ate all of my original peas, I had some seeds for it, so I planted them. So I have 2 new ones growing, and then, so these are string beans, and then these are peas. Snow peas? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Hold on, my baby's crying. So yeah, that's what's going on here. And then I haven't planted anything here yet, still trying to figure out what. And then I got some rhubarb. It looks like that because the sun, I just watered it, but then the sun came over it, so it like wilted it a little bit, so I'll have to re-water it. And the boys have actually been really liking snacking on the rhubarb. So that's very nice as well. And then over here we have the tomatoes planted, which I'm always excited for. I got a super sweet 100 cherry tomato, a husky cherry tomato, a beefsteak, and then this one is a Mr. Stripey heirloom, which is the yellow tomato, and I've never tried those before, so I'm pretty excited for those to come in and to be able to try them. Got a cucumber plant, and I did a little mix-up. I thought I got 2 cucumber and 1 zucchini, but I got 2 zucchini and 1 cucumber, so I'm gonna have to plant some more cucumber. And then I have Fresno chili peppers, jalapeno peppers, sweet banana peppers, red bell peppers, and then just regular green bell peppers. So that's what's going on here. As you guys can see, the zucchini starting to come in and thrive, which is very exciting. Got some onions, or mini bunching onions here. The roses are blooming. And I actually did have to deal with some aphids on here. I think I was able to kill them all off because I haven't seen them since the day I first saw them. But I just took some water and soap, mixed it together, sprayed it on there, and it seems to have kept them away for now. This is my other rose bush. And we have cut some of the blooms off to bring in the house. But yeah, those are thriving. And then my mint is getting bigger. It's a ginger mint. So that's growing pretty well. And then I ended up planting that raspberry plant that we had over here. And I'm super excited because if you look at it, you can see there's actual fruit coming in. So the mini strawberry, nothing really is coming in yet. Here, they're just starting to grow back. Blueberries plant is coming back. The strawberry plants are thriving. As you can see, there's so many strawberry plants or strawberries coming in. And then this is my other raspberry plant that I did not think would come back, but came back with a vengeance, and she is thriving. And I'm very excited for all the buds that she has cannot wait to try these guys. And that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little update. I'll let you guys know if I end up planting more things and what they will be. I have a bunch of unused garden space, so I feel like I might as well start planting stuff before it's too late. So if I do that, it'll most likely be sometime this week. I do plan on putting chicken wire over here on this side of the gate to, where I have that giant rock and one of my kids' toys blocking the bunny from coming in. Hopefully that's the end of my bunny troubles, though, once that goes up, because it was eating the garden way too much. This bunny has been around for years, and this is the first year where I've actually had trouble with it eating way too much of the garden. The pepper plants were actually eaten back to almost nothing too, and thankfully they recovered and I didn't have to get new ones. But yeah, that is it. Oh, and then hopefully the aphids stay off the roses. Again, this is the first year I've ever had problems with aphids. This is what, my 5th year in this garden, and I've never had problems with aphids before. But if they do come back, I'll just resort to using neem oil. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.